How to replace the left or right protecting cover plate. Stand the mower up in the storage position. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 7 screws each securing the left and right fairings. One end of the protecting cover plate is secured together with the front axle set mounting plate. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 2 screws on the right side. Use a T20 bit to loosen the other 4 screws securing the protecting cover plate. Remove the other protecting cover plate following the same steps. Hold the front axle set to prevent it from popping out of the deck. All left and right protecting cover plate parts are shown in the picture. Replace any parts as needed. Install the right protecting cover plate, ensuring that the screw holes are aligned. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 4 screws securing this cover. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 2 screws on the opposite side to secure the cover. Repeat the above steps for the protecting cover plate on the other side. Use a T20 bit to install and secure the left and right fairings with 7 screws each. How to replace the side discharge door on the deck. Stand the mower up in the storage position. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 5 screws securing the side discharge door. Then the side discharge door can be removed. Mount a new side discharge door onto the deck and tighten it with 5 screws using a T20 bit. How to replace the bumper assembly on the deck. Use a hex 13mm socket to loosen the 4 bolts securing the bumper. Remove the bolts, washers and bumpers. When reassembling, secure the 2 bumpers together with bolts and washers as a whole unit, then place them back onto the mower. Then use a 13mm hex socket to tighten the 4 bolts.